Hi guys!
Hello, sir.
Tumarin po natin ang awitin Lift Up Your Hands to God. Thanks for always shining.
Welcome, sir. Try lang, sir.
Lagi. Life is not at all that bad, my friend. If you believe in yourself, we believe there's someone who walks through life with you.
You'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up